Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I use my whitening lightning kit because I recently did a red carpet appearance. So I wanted to whiten my teeth right before I went on the carpet. So whitening lightning has whitening pens if you don't want to invest in a whole kit, but this kit is amazing. And I do have a discount code so you can get 30% off all of the products on whiteninglightning.com. So the whitening kit has the gel, of course, which will last you for quite a few times of use, as well as the LED lights, which already comes with batteries, but you have to take the little sticker from the inside so they work. The kit also comes with vitamin E to protect your gums, 3 wipes for your teeth, and this whitening guide so you can see how much whiter your teeth became. Let me know in the comments what you think my teeth were originally and after. I'm really curious to see what you think. And also the kit comes with a little bucket and a paintbrush for you to put the gel in there and then put it onto your brush and brush it onto your teeth. But I actually have my old Invisalign retainers, so I'm just going to use that because it's a custom fit just for me. So to begin, I'm going to take out my wipe, uncap the gel, and dispense the gel directly into my Invisalign retainer. This is much easier and faster for me, but like I said, if you don't have the retainer, feel free to brush the gel directly onto your teeth with the brush that the kit provides. Then I'm going to use my vitamin E and brush it onto my gums because this protects them from the gel. Then I'm using my wipe to brush any excess off my teeth, which I brushed, by the way, before I started this whole thing. So don't forget to brush your teeth so they're nice and clean. Then I go ahead and apply my retainers. Turn on my LED light and place that inside my mouth so that way it's in the front of my teeth. And now we're good to go. I'm leaving it on for 20 minutes, setting my timer because I don't want to leave it on for too long because otherwise you can damage your teeth and inflame your gums, which I have done before, so be careful. Also, go ahead and brush your teeth with your toothbrush just to make sure you don't have any gel in your mouth that you may swallow. And let me know what you think my teeth were on this whitening guide before and after. So while I was waiting for 20 minutes, I went ahead and did my hair. So that's another reason I love this kit because it's so convenient. I can do other things while my teeth are whitening. And now just apply some lipstick and you're ready for a night out. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye.